Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this Plait style buttercream piped cake. For the decorations, I've got Malteser chocolates. I've added edible silver luster dust into a Ziploc bag. Give it a good toss and then just watch your eyeballs as the dust comes out. And now you have edible silver giant pearls. Pop those aside and then work on your cake. This is a 6-inch cake that I have already crumb coated and stacked. I'm applying a final layer of frosting, super duper thin, in yellow. For the final layer of buttercream, I do recommend using a color that you're going to go for the piping. So I know that I've got yellow plaits and that's why I chose the same colored buttercream. Pull that top lip towards the middle as you smooth out your frosting. And while it's still wet, so you don't want to put this into the freezer, you want the buttercream to still be sticky, grab those Maltesers and apply them to the bottom of your cake. In the space left, you're going to take a number 32 piping tip and then starting with the Maltesers, so just kind of piping right above them, create a diagonal line and then overlap it slightly, starting at the top of the line that you just finished piping. Create 2 rows of this. I'm always starting with the bottom line, and as I pipe over the top, I'm leaving a little space right at the bottom. You kind of want to feed your piping tip through that little hole and continue the pattern that way. Try to keep it as tight as possible, that way you don't see anything between piping. Add your next row of Maltesers, and again just starting that piping at the base, and you can see here I'm sort of filling in that pocket that I'm leaving behind. Continue up the top. There wasn't a lot of space for my last row, so I just did 1 row on the outside and then the other row along the top of the cake. Move your little pearls around if you need to, just to make sure they're a bit straighter. And then just continue piping until you're happy with how full it looks. This is a great little technique that you could use on cupcakes as well. And then for the middle, you could leave it bare or add some silver edible druggies. And that's basically how you make this particular cake design. It's so easy. If you want to practice maybe on baking paper first, you totally can, just until you get the hang of the piping and the shape. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this cake decorating tutorial. Feel free to subscribe for more, and if you do recreate it, I would love to see it. # Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.